In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the header background color in WordPress in 2025 using the built-in customization options. This is an updated method that works with modern WordPress themes, and you don't need to touch any code at all. If you want to personalize your site, match your brand colors, or simply refresh the look of your website header, this tutorial is exactly what you need. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and website tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, you want to start from either your hosting service dashboard or directly from your WordPress admin area. If you're using managed hosting like Pantheon, Bluehost, or SiteGround, you can access WordPress from there, or you can go straight to your WordPress login page and sign in with your admin credentials. Once you're logged in, you should be on the main WordPress dashboard. This is where you manage posts, pages, plugins, and your site's appearance. From the left-hand menu, hover over Appearance. When the submenu opens, click on Themes. This will show you the currently active theme on your website. Make sure the theme you want to edit is active, because the header settings depend on the active theme. Next, click on the Customize button. This will open the WordPress Customizer, which allows you to make visual changes to your site and preview them in real time before saving. Inside the Customizer, look for the section related to your header. Depending on your theme, this might be called Header, Header Image, Header Background, or something similar. Click into that section to open the header settings. Now, within the header settings, look for an option that allows you to add or change the header image or background. In many themes, you'll see a button that says Add Image or Select Image. Click on that option to open the media library. From here, you may have different choices depending on your theme. Some themes allow you to choose a solid background color directly using a color picker, while others let you upload an image that acts as the header background. If your theme supports background colors, click on the color selector and choose the color you want for your header. You'll see the change instantly in the live preview on the right side of the screen. Take your time here and experiment with different colors until you find one that fits your branding and looks good with your logo and menu text. Once you're happy with the header background color, click the Save or Publish button at the top of the Customizer. This step is very important because if you exit without saving, your changes will be lost. After saving, you can close the Customizer and visit your website to see the final result live. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change the header background color in WordPress in 2025 using the updated and recommended method. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy WordPress guides and website tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.